Hello, today we're gonna make a toy. Need a origami paper. We're gonna start by the right side. This edge and we're gonna bring it to the down. Now we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna bring it to the right. Now we're gonna fold it back. We're gonna take this edge and this edge, we're gonna line it to the middle. Now we're gonna turn. Now we're gonna take this edge and gonna fold it back. Now here we're gonna push and the same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna flip it. Now we're gonna take this edge and this edge, we can line it to the middle. Now we're gonna take this edge, this corner and this corner, we're gonna bring it to the middle. Now we're gonna flip it and we're gonna do the same thing. Now we're gonna take this corner and we're gonna bring it down and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna put our finger in this pocket and we're gonna push. Now we're gonna push. Now we're gonna take this gun and we're gonna fold it down and we're gonna do the same thing with this. Now we're gonna put our two fingers in here. And here we go, we made a toy. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.